In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Calendly and Stripe integration in just 5 minutes. It's quick, easy, and will help streamline your scheduling and payment processes. Let's get started. First, make your way to your preferred internet browser and type in calendly.com. Hit enter and you'll arrive at Calendly's homepage. Next, log into your account using your credentials. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on Calendly's main interface, ready to customize your scheduling needs. Now let's move on to connecting Stripe. To do this, head over to the Integrations and Apps section. You can usually find this in the main navigation menu. Just look for options related to integrations. Once you're there, you'll see a list of various tools you can integrate with Calendly. We're focusing on Stripe, which is an excellent choice if you want to handle payments directly through your bookings. When you spot Stripe on the list, go ahead and click on Connect with Stripe. Doing this will prompt an authorization process where you'll need to log into your Stripe account. Follow the simple steps on screen to allow Calendly access to your Stripe account. This connection is essential. It's how you'll be able to manage payments efficiently. Once you've authorized the access, you're a step closer to seamlessly processing payments. Head back to the Calendly interface and this time, click on Scheduling. You'll typically find this option within the dashboard or the main navigation bar. It should be quite straightforward. Now select the specific event where you want to add the payment feature. Click on the event and then select the More Options tab. As you explore more options, you'll notice a section devoted to payment. Click it and you'll find an option labeled Get Paid by Stripe. Select this and you will have successfully activated Stripe as your method for receiving payments. Take a moment here to carefully enter the amount you'd like to charge for your event. Make sure that this amount accurately reflects the value of your service and double check to avoid any mistakes. Towards the final stretch now. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step confirms all your settings and finalizes the integration. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with your Calendly account. Now clients can conveniently pay you directly through Stripe when booking their appointments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you integrate Calendly with Stripe easily and efficiently.